So we've recently released the custom email scheduling. So if you want to be more specific about when you send emails, who you send emails to through our system, we've given you that flexibility to do so. But we're also working on team level integration. So if you have multiple team workspaces within Goldcast, you may have situations where one team is using a different CRM or a different marketing automation system. And so making sure the integrations align with each team is extremely relevant, especially for large organizations. And some fun stuff, exciting things our team is working on and doing discovery work on is how do we leverage AI and agentic kind of frameworks to allow us to speed up how long it takes to create and execute on events through bringing in branding and doing all that automatically for you all. So there's a lot of thinking going on that end that we're excited about over the coming months. On the live event side, again, you may have seen it, you may have not, but we've launched the ability for you to embed live events on your website or anywhere you can actually do that. So if you want to drive people directly back to your website for them to actually consume the webinar content while it's going on, that's possible now with our embedded events functionality. Plus, we're working on a live run of show, which we're actually going to give a little sneak peek for later today. So make sure you stay for that. And then after the event itself, we launched recently the ability to have AI generated chapters, which just makes, especially a 60-minute or 45-minute long webinar or video, it makes it more consumable because it allows you to kind of theme things up. It makes it easy for the person on the other end to really go to the part that's more interesting to them. But we're investing a lot on SEO and GEO from a content perspective, like GEO, AEO, whatever you want to call it. It's the big thing in marketing right now. We're all trying to think through how do we get discovered and show up more on LLMs, and video content can play a huge role in that. And so with our video hubs and everything that we're creating, how do we make sure it's really accessible so that it does get picked up by LLMs, and the information and insight allows you to show up more in those channels where people are searching and looking for tools like yours. On the content side of things, again, as I mentioned, we released our recording studio a few months ago, and there's a lot of exciting things happening with customers on that end. So now you can do the local HD recording.